Hello my friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm sharing with you on how to crochet this beautiful beanie. It's really easy and simple, and you can turn this into any size. The size I'm making in the video is a small, so this would fit an average adult. I have different sizes available on the written pattern, and you can find the link in the description box. In this project, I'm using Red Heart Super Saver. It is a number 4 medium acrylic yarn, but you can use any types of yarn. A 5mm hook, a pair of scissors, a yarn needle, and a pom-pom. This is my crochet ring. With this, I could crochet for hours without putting down my hook, and I would not crochet without it. And I highly recommend if you crochet a lot. It is to help ease the pain on the finger, so the yarn is not pulling the finger. Super helpful. Alright, let's get started. To begin the pattern, make a slip knot. Insert the hook and make a foundation chain of 80. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now that we have 80 chains, join the round by slip stitch into the first chain and make sure your chain is not twisted. On the first chain, turn to the back and we're going to insert into the little bumps on the back. This one's here. On the first chain, slip stitch into the back. One chain. In the same chain, place a half double crochet. Yarn over, insert, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, and pull through 3 loops. That's 1. Again, into the next chain. Yarn over, insert, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, and pull through 3 loops. So on this round, place a half double crochet into every chain. By the end of the round, there will be 80 stitches, and I'll meet you on the next round. The next 3 rounds are the same. Slip stitch into the first stitch, one chain. We are going to place a half double crochet into the third loop. The third loop is the horizontal bar on the side, this one right here, which is right below the back loop. Yarn over, insert into the third loop, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, and pull through 3 loops. Again, a half double crochet into the third loop. And we're doing this one for 3 rounds. By the end of each round, we still have the same number of stitches of 80, and I'll meet you on round 5. To begin round 5, slip stitch into the first stitch, 2 chains, and this counts as a half double crochet stitch. Skip 1. On this stitch, place a puff stitch. Yarn over, insert, pull up a loop, yarn over, insert into the same stitch, pull up a loop, yarn over, insert into the same stitch, and pull up a loop. Now that we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 loops. Yarn over and pull through 7 loops. 1 chain. Again into a seam stitch. Yarn over, insert, pull up a loop, and we'll insert into the seam stitch 3 times. 2, 3, then yarn over, pull through 7 loops, 1 chain. Skip 1, half double crochet. Skip 1, 2 puff stitches. Yarn over, insert, pull up a loop. Remember, we'll insert into the seam stitch 3 times. 2, 3. Yarn over, pull through 7 loops, 1 chain, and 1 more into a seam stitch. 1, 2, 3. Yarn over, pull through 7 loops, 1 chain. Skip 1, half double crochet. Repeat this all around. By the end of the round, there'll be 60 stitches, and I meet you on round 6. Round 6 is the repeat round. Slip stitch into the top of the 2 chain. That's this one. 2 chains. And this counts as a stitch. In the space in between the 2 puff stitches, place 2 puff stitches. One chain, that's 1, and 1 more into the same space. Two. In the half double crochet stitch, place a half double crochet. In this space, 2 puff stitches. And 1 more. Half double crochet. Repeat this round until the hat is about 7 inches tall, and I meet you on the next round. I am on round 17, and I did a total of 12 rounds of puff stitches. My hat now measures 7 inches. Starting on this round, we're going to decrease. Join the round and 2 chains. In the space here, place 1 puff stitch. Half double crochet. One puff stitch. Half double crochet. So instead of placing 2 puff stitches, we're only placing 1 puff stitch on this round. And repeat this all around. By the end of the round, there'll be 40 stitches. And I'll meet you on round 18. To begin round 18, join the round, 2 chains. Skip this stitch. On the half double crochet stitch, place a half double crochet. Skip, half double crochet. So basically on this round, we're placing a half double crochet into the half double crochet stitch. By the end of the round, there'll be 20 stitches, and I'll meet you on round 19. To begin round 19, join the round, 1 chain. On this round, we're going to decrease. So we're going to half double crochet 2 stitches together. Yarn over, insert, pull through, yarn over, insert into the next stitch, pull through. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 loops. Yarn over and pull through 5 loops. Again, on these 2 stitches, yarn over, insert, pull through, yarn over, insert into the next stitch, and yarn over, pull through 5 loops. And we're doing this all around. By the end of the round, there'll be 10 stitches, and I'll meet you on the next round. This round is a repeat of the previous round. Join the round, 1 chain, and half double crochet 2 stitches together. It is a little bit tricky to do it because the opening is so small, but try your best. If you cannot do it, you can always use a yarn needle to close the hole. At the end, slip stitch, 1 chain, then fasten off the tail. You can decide if you want to add pom-pom or not. Thank you for watching. That's all for today. I hope you liked today's project. Please comment below to let me know. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit the like button and the notification bell. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye!